Well, good morning, sports fans. Welcome to the channel. So today we're going to be doing some exciting chores. Yes, these are RV chores for a boondocker that have to be done every now and then. Still a little under the weather, but I hope to get them accomplished. And we're going to be doing our first campfire of the year. Nothing big, just enough to burn some trash. So come along on the adventure, watch to the end. My name is Ralph Luck, and this is RVing with Luck. Okay, so we're going to be heading outside. I'm going to be taking my selfie stick / quad pod. And this little toy I got for Ninja, she just doesn't seem to care about it. Then I'm going to see if I can fix my knife. Quality knife, but so many screws have fallen out. And then I bent this. So I'm going to see if I can take out these 2 screws and get this to flatten down. Just had a salad for lunch. Filled up my squirt bottle with 75% white vinegar and the rest water. What I do is on this, I'll wipe it out with a paper towel, spray the vinegar water solution in there that kills all the germs, and it'll be good to go. And we're good to go. Yeah, got some sugarless chocolate chip cookies. Are pretty good. So let's head outside and I'll kind of explain what I've got going on today. So Ninja's been outside most of the day. Look at her. What does that look? You falling asleep? Definitely a weird position. Yeah, she's filthy dirty. Yeah, but anytime I talk about her, she's got to come running up. So I'm going to set up the quad pod there and do a little recording. We are going to do just a small fire to burn a bunch of trash. And then I've got to take the porta caddy over to the black gray tank release on the other side. We're going to fill that guy up. And then I've got 6 gallons of water to add into the RV. Okay. Got my pocket knife and tools. Got some fat wood. And this is just, I'll put the name below here of what type of wood it is, with lots of resin. And Duraflame actually sells boxes of these. And they just light right up with a lighter. And they'll get our fire going here. Ninja, you better watch out for the hawk. There's a hawk that's bigger than her flying around. Okay. Oh, I don't know if you could see it, but I've got the giant tarp over there that I think I'm going to drag and pull. Oh, you see a hawk? Yeah. And that way, if there's any snakes or gophers or squirrels or mice, I could kind of move it over there and get rid of that. That way it's staged and ready to go, probably for next weekend when I bring it into town. Okay. And they've got some wood in here that's already been burned by the previous campsite garbage litter bugs. Man, it's got a lot of trash because it's been so long since I've had a fire. I don't know, let's see. You know, just because the winds have been so high that it just really hasn't been safe to get a fire going. As a matter of fact, today I have my awning out It did get up to 78 degrees Fahrenheit. So I put the awning out for a little shade. And even though they said wind gusts up to 19 miles an hour, it really hasn't been that bad. So remember, when you're putting out your RV awning, always check the weather forecast and definitely make sure you're home. You don't want to be gone and have the winds kicked up and rip off your awning, which can happen. So yeah, this Duraflame Fatwood I've actually had for a couple years. So I think a lot of that natural resin inside has dried up a little bit, because the outside is actually pretty dry, and normally it's not. But we should get things rolling here pretty soon. No hurry. I'm going to be working on my pocket knife there to see if I could fix it. I've got a bag of trash to throw in the back of the Jeep to take in town tomorrow. And I have one empty 6-gallon water container in the Jeep already. And I bought a new one to replace the one that's cracked. And the one that's cracked still has 6 gallons of water. And I'm going to put that into the RV today and put that in the trash pile. It served me well for probably 4.5 years. That was the first one I got. Okay. Should have kind of a... I've got a couple of those fatwood sticks I'm not going to light up. I'll let them light themselves. Again, there's already some pieces of firewood in there. And just for fun, I'll stick some of this stuff that burns pretty easy in here. There we go. All right, time to work on the knife. Sitting in the chair. Get back to you in a bit. So what I've got going on is, number one, my chair and my water. I'm still sick. I've taken it's been a week and a half. It's gotten a lot better. So turns out I forgot I had another 6 gallons of water in that bright blue container. The light blue container is the one I've had since day one. I really like it. I mean, that little pour spout does make it easy to go up in there, but it's got a crack I don't know, I might see about gluing it, duct tape, putting some caulk on it and duct tape, and maybe that'll hold. Couldn't hurt to have 4 of these. My propane went out this afternoon, that tank. It's been out here for a month. I have used the heater a couple of nights, and it runs my fridge. I've used the stove only a couple of times, which runs off propane. So got a month off that 5-gallon tank. And now I'm going to head over to that and see about hauling it and moving that big trash pile. I think it's time for some new Jeep headlights. But look at those 2 bright ones. Thanks, Nilight. I'll post the review for those Nilight spotlights right there in a previous video. I'll put the link down below. They're fantastic. I wouldn't be able to see down the forest road. I mean, I've got my headlights on, fog lights on. They barely do anything, but I've got a bright road ahead. All right, let's get inside and break into the beverage center. Well, the campfire's out. Got all the lights up and running. Love these puck lights. Solar. And let's get inside and light up the inside. Ninja's running around. So let me show you what's in the beverage center tonight. So I'm pretty sure I had these before. You can see that one. Makes sense. Jungle Juice. So they spell a little different, but jungle juice. But now we've got blue lemonade juice. Blackberry juice. 14% alcohol by volume. Woo. So these were the same price as the Four Locos. I think I've had these a couple of years ago. But I did a lot of chores today, so I think I deserve a cold one. So let's grab one of these, put it on ice, climb into bed, and sign off. So thank you for joining me today. Wish me luck tomorrow. Hopefully this week will be good luck. Well, thanks for watching. Go out there, be positive, be nice, and be active. And smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this, and subscribe to get alerts anytime I post a new video, which is typically twice a week. From Ninja and I, bid you adieu.